Hi, I'm Matt Stone, Executive Chef at Oak Ridge Wines in the Yarra Valley. I'm here at the Miele Experience Centre today to prepare some simple, sustainable winter recipes. So the dish we're going to prepare now is some braised beef cheeks with pine mushrooms and kale. So the first step for the beef cheeks, we're going to brine them. It's a really simple process. We're just going to take a little pan here. We're going to add some salt. We're going to mix it with some water. Then we're going to add the beef cheeks in the refrigerator overnight. So the beef cheeks have been brined overnight, they've set nicely, they've cured. So we're going to seal them off in our induction compatible oven dish, which is a great sort of versatile piece of equipment to have in the kitchen. We can use it on the stove, we can use it in the oven, it's good all around. So the beef cheeks are frying away nicely. It's really important to get a really nice sort of golden caramelization because this is just kind of building layers of flavor throughout the braise. Once we've got the caramelization on the backside, we're going to deglaze with about 90 ml of red wine. We're going to take the beef cheeks out just into a separate dish for the meantime. Once we've taken them out, we're going to chuck in a couple of onions. So we're just going to cook the onions just till we get a little bit of sort of blackening on them. So once the onions are caramelized, they're smelling really roasty, really nice, we're going to add a clove of garlic. Then we're going to add in the beef cheeks and the rest of the juices from that pan. Then we're going to pour in the rest of the wine. It's going to kind of boil, it's going to reduce a little bit, and we're just going to add the stock. Bring it to a simmer. We're going to add a little bit of paper on the top and we're going to cook them. So once the beef cheeks have kind of cooled enough that you can handle them, we're going to take them out of the braise, pass the braising liquid into a pan and reduce it down till we get a lovely, rich, shiny sauce. So for the mushrooms for the dish, I'm going to use some pine mushrooms today. If you have the opportunity when in season to get your hands on some wild forage mushrooms, it's a great ingredient to use. Once the mushrooms are clean, we're just going to cut them into wedges. So the butter's foaming now, we're going to throw the mushrooms in. Give it a stir around, we're going to cook the mushrooms in the butter for about 2 minutes. We're going to add the rest of the butter, some black garlic, and the thyme leaves. So the final component for this dish is the crispy kale. Put it onto a tray, drizzle it with olive oil, season it with salt, and we're going to bake it at 180 degrees, just till it's nice and crispy. So this is a perfect dish for the middle of winter. When it's cold and rainy outside, this is a really great way to fill your kitchen with a lovely fragrance and kind of warm your insides by eating this really delicious winter dish.